lot of rain in the last couple of days. I'm going to do a little clip video with some wildlife on the Bow River. It's pretty cool, and some fish caught that I haven't shown yet, so that's pretty cool. I actually did a little intro yesterday out in the rain. Here it is now. Welcome back to Fish Big. As you can see behind me, the river is swollen. It's been raining for a couple of days, and it's actually really muddy as well, so I won't be doing any fishing on the river for a while. But I saved a few fish that I caught just for such an occasion. And then I wanted to come today and just do a little check on the river and see how much it came up. It rose pretty good, and I'll just show you how muddy it is. So it's actually really, really muddy. So I won't be fishing for a while. That's why I'm going to do save these clips for when I'm unable to fish. And I'll throw in some cool wildlife I encountered on the way on my fishing adventures. So, oh look, there's some ducks coming out over there. Anyways, let's get into the video. Okay, made it here. Let's take a few casts. See if I can hook into a fish. There, I got one. Right away, first cast. Nice. It's a beauty. Oh. Where is he here? Oh, nice fish. First cast. Beautiful rainbow. Okay. Beautiful rainbow. Keep him in the water. Hold on. I'll get him unhooked. Okay. Got him unhooked. Beautiful, beautiful rainbow. Let's get him back to the river quick. Nice rainbow. Should be ready to go. And there he goes. Boom. Perfect first cast. Oh, there, I got one right in front of me. Oh, he come up. Oh man. Not much of a fight on that one because he hit it right directly in front of me, and that's a nice fish. Oh, that's a beauty. Okay, let's get this stopped, unhooked and released. Okay, this is a beauty rainbow. Really long and slim. Wow. Let's get him back. Oh, and he's just gone. Perfect. Wow. Not much of a fight. I hooked him. He hit it right directly in front of me, so he didn't get much of a fight out of him, but still, what a lot of fun. Oh, I didn't mean to press stop. I got one. There we go. Looks like a nice one. Down close here. Well, I hooked one, and then I thought I wasn't recording as usual, and then I pressed stop. Oh, he's got a lot of gumbo, this guy. Let me get him in quick here. There he is. Oh. Oh, that's a beauty. Oh, perfect. Okay, let's just give this some line. I'll unhook him and release him. Okay, got him unhooked pretty quick. What a beauty. Hopefully I can give you a show for the camera. Beautiful rainbow. Wow, okay. Oh, and just go on. Awesome. Zooming in on a garter snake. That's pretty cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed the wildlife, the fishing clips, and until I can get back on the river soon, get out and fish big.